Welcome to AW Services. Today's video, how to change a daytime running lamp bulb in a 2016 plate Renault Trafic Business. This shape van, the newer shape, like so. So 2016 Renault Trafic Business, daytime running light or DRL and side light bulb. I looked quickly at a few threads to see what the word on the street was about changing the lamps, because they can be quite awkward. So this is the lamp. It's a 580 21 by 5 watt dual filament capless or capsule lamp, a bit bigger than the standard side light bulbs you'd find in most vehicles. So the way I found out the easiest way of changing these, got a plastic cross member here which connects across the back of the headlight to the front cross member above the grille. Two 13mm bolts. You can unscrew that, remove it, and you can then get access with your hand in the back. I apologise for the camera, I'm using a GoPro. It doesn't have an additional light on it, so it's very dark and underexposed, but where my finger's pointing is the access cover for that lamp. So with this cross member removed, even with fat chunky fingers like me, I can get my hand in the back, I can remove the screw cap, and I'll see if I can push you in. So this is the back of the lamp assembly for that filament lamp. There are two black plastic release levers or ears, but they're two black plastic release levers that are at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. They need to be pressed together, and firmly, while pressing together, pull the lamp out. A lot of people are having difficulty, but the older your van is, the harder this plastic can get with environmental degradation, heat, UV. But you need to put your hand in the back, squeeze the two ears together, or gently applying some pressure to pull backwards on it, not to damage the wiring loom. And then, like so, you can withdraw the lamp assembly and its bulb holder intact all in one. So if I try to move the camera again just to show you. So on the assembly, so if I'm looking at it in its orientation with my thumb at 12 o'clock, at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, or 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, there are two black plastic tongue release levers. You need to press those together inwards while then pulling and extracting the lamp holder out. A lot of people have had difficulty, have struggled to remove these. I'm not too sure why they are struggling, but it is an access issue. But if you remove this cross member, this one here, which sits in this orientation here, it gives you a bit more wiggle room for your hand, and you can get your hand in. But I thought I'd make this video and share it because I looked it up quickly online, because I'd rather figure things out myself via trial and error. But very straightforward. These are the lamps. You can buy them in twin packs from all the big manufacturers like Bosch make them. I just went to Halfords because I needed them today, not next week. And these are the standard manufacturers recommended ones. They're not LEDs, they're not going to mess up your canvas system. But I thought I'd share that with you. That's a lamp holder assembly, 2016 Renault Trafic Business Plus van. I think it's very much the same as the 2016 plate Vauxhall Vivaros, the Nissan Prime Star, and there might be another van that's badged same chassis, same factory. But that's how you get this DRL side light bulb out. If you like the video and you found it useful, please subscribe to AW Services, support the channel, help it grow, and the more subscribers I can get, which will enable me at a certain point in time then to be able to afford to make more videos of such a nature, hints and tips. Hit the bell icon for notifications. This is when I post a new video. Give a video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you like it, that's brilliant. If you don't like it, then I appreciate your interaction and give it a thumbs down. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.